A wealthy man in crimson robes stands beneath an open sky, holding a balanced scale in one hand while gold coins fall from the other into the palms of two kneeling figures. The Six of Pentacles is earth restored to flow, generosity, fairness, and the ethical circulation of resources after the hardship of the Five. The merchant is the central symbol. His posture is gracious yet measured. He leans forward just enough to give, but not so far that he loses equilibrium. He represents conscious stewardship, prosperity guided by awareness rather than excess. His wealth is not hoarded but directed with intention. The Six teaches that abundance becomes meaningful only when shared responsibly. The perfectly balanced scale forms the second key symbol. It embodies discernment, the union of compassion and judgment. True generosity requires wisdom. Giving too much breeds dependence. Giving too little withholds life. The scale insists that charity is an active, thoughtful practice, balancing need with sustainability. Justice and kindness must speak to one another. The falling coins are the third symbol. They descend in a measured rhythm, 3 to each supplicant, illustrating harmony and equality. These coins represent not only money, but all forms of material and emotional exchange: time, support, mentorship, labor. The act of giving completes a circuit. To let energy move is to let life breathe again. The beggars kneeling before him form the fourth symbol. One gazes upwards with gratitude, the other watches anxiously, fearing the flow might stop. Together, they portray the complex experience of receiving, hope mixed with vulnerability. Their worn garments link them to the Five, reminding us that fortune changes and that the roles of giver and receiver rotate over time. Dignity is required in both positions. The city in the background is the fifth symbol, signaling the return of social participation and communal life. Where the Five showed exile, the Six reveals reintegration. Healthy economies, personal, relational, or collective, depend on circulation, not accumulation. When resources move, the community flourishes. The red of the merchant's robe suggests warmth and vitality. Its white lining signifies purity of intention. The card asks continual self-examination. Do I give to uplift others or to reassure myself? Shadow generosity controls rather than frees. In readings, the Six of Pentacles speak of philanthropy, fair compensation, debt repayment, mentoring, or receiving needed support. It calls for ethical balance, wise giving and gracious receiving. Its caution concerns power dynamics, gifts that manipulate, or gratitude demanded rather than offered.